Here's a look at the market through the eyes of eMiniDayTrader for Monday, May the 4th, 2009. Starting off again with our market profiles, including the Globex session or the overnight session. Of course, this video is just a shortened version of the approximately 20-minute video that's done for the members each night. Today, for the members, we also ran a webinar during the trading session, answer questions and examine trades, take trades, and so forth. But we always do, we don't do that every day, but every day we do make a very detailed video with many charts that are marked up and so forth. So this is just a shortened version of that, but let's go ahead and take a look at what we thought was going on in the market today. We had an overnight session that moved higher. We had mentioned that the 74.50 area was a sort of a key area of likely support. So overnight the market traded well above that, giving us a bullish leaning going into this. We were expecting more of a vertical move today because of the consolidation that we've recently had, and we got that. Here's where the market opened, the regular trading hours. Here's our initial balance, and nice follow through higher with a powerful close. So we're mentioning that the next area up is around 940, and at this rate we could hit that this week without a problem. So now we're looking for likelihood of a bit of a pullback in around the 898, 899 area. So we'll see if the market can actually do that. Here's our individual profiles here. So a very bullish development today. As far as our individual trades were concerned, we had sort of a bit of a give and take early. We attempted to get long very early, but were not filled, and ended up by having actually a short trade right in here. Market fell off a bit, then we got long, moved against us just a couple, I believe it was 3 ticks, and then moved up. Then we got short again down in here. So we actually had 3 early trades, and some of our traders would not have taken all of these trades, especially the 2 short trades, especially the first short trade. Even though it was set up and triggered by the system, it was certainly going against the strong bullishness in the market that had transpired up to that point in the day. But those are the first 3 trades that all worked out quite nicely. When the market dipped back down into our green shaded area, we got long once here and then a second time here. The first one we got stopped out. The second one, we actually exited that trade at break even after 10 minutes. We like to only stay in the trade for around 10 minutes, but certainly some of our traders a little more experienced because of this kind of vertical development in the market and the expectation of to have follow through higher. In other words, if they're prepared to hold the trade for a longer period of time, i.e. even as long as the end of the day, then those traders would have held it for that extra 30 seconds or a minute and reached the first objective. And then as a result, actually on this trade, the way that this trade actually worked, it wasn't stopped out until about 93 or so in here, and that was a long from down in here about 890. So even the partial made about 3 points on that. We didn't actually have another trade until late in the session. The market came down here and tested about 96, and it quickly bounced almost 2 points in our favor, so easily hitting our first 2 objectives. But whenever we have an early market with this kind of movement and a bit of a pullback that cannot erase the bullish structure that our software shows us, then we expect further up movement. And we got that here, even though it went sideways for a while in here. Well, I guess most notably in here, we'd still expect follow through, and of course late in the day we got that. So I drew this line right around here, 899, looking at that as possible support going into tomorrow's trade. So if we can get a pullback to there, that'd be a great place to get long. We are looking around 940 as the next major target on the upside, and like I said, it certainly could happen this week. It may not, but it certainly has the potential to do so. So that's a quick look at the market through the eyes of eMiniDayTrader for Monday, May the 4th, 2009.